Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S42, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. From here, select power off and wait for the device to turn off. And now that the device is fully turned off, you want to hold the power key and volume up together. And this will take you to the boot mode. Now in here you will need to use volume up to navigate through the 3 different options that are accessible here, as you can see. And then volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected with this arrow right here. And going over the options right here, we have recovery mode, then the second option is fast boot mode, and third option is a normal boot, which takes us back to Android. So because I want to leave this, I'm going to stick with the last option, normal boot, press volume down, and go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.